the head teacher, the deputy head teacher, the senior teacher, teachers and pupils. Good morning. How are you? So it's a fine morning that we thank God for this opportunity. And just as we said, this week we are going to be on duty. And there are some of the things that I want to pass across to you so that you understand what you need to do while in school and also before you come to school. One is about time management. You also know the time you are supposed to arrive in school, and also you should manage your time properly while in school. So don't just come early in school and then you waste your time while in school. Second is about late coming. Most of you are coming to school late, and even you can see some are still coming. So ensure, as we near the close of the school, ensure you come to school very early in the morning. Another thing that I want to talk about is about discipline. Ensure you remain disciplined while in school and also while at home. In fact, discipline is paramount. Wherever you go, you must behave properly. Boys, ensure you shave your hair. We have been talking this all along. Ensure you shave your hair. And girls, ensure you remain in school uniform. And I don't have much to say. I know we have teachers who will say much concerning the same.